let's start creating this layout into Elementor. Fine. To start, we just need to create a layout, sorry, the row, and then we need to add intersection. It's 50 and 50 for now. Drag the intersection and drop it. Make a duplicate. And duplicate again. So we have 3 intersection now. What we can do is, let's delete the first one. Delete. Where is the option for delete? Delete this. The same here. Delete this. And now let's make this section width 50%. On the layout tab, enable breaking bad. Let's make this width as 50%. The same way, the width as 50%, and click on the main row. Here it is, and give the vertical align, not vertical align, it's horizontal align. We need to find the horizontal align. Here it's there. Horizontal align on the right, so end. So you got this. Now let me delete this section as well. Delete. Cool. Now we need to paste the text. Let me drag this, make a duplicate, drag it over here. Let me pause this and do this. I have copied all the 3. Now it's just time to change the text color from white to black. Select this, left align, text color black. The same way, left align, text color to black. Style, left align, text color black. Call the main column, and you need to remove the widget space to 0. Cool. Now what we need to do is, we need to copy this and paste it to the rest of the section. Let me do it by pausing it. Alright, now let's get into the inner section and give the column as 50%. Doesn't seems to work. Inner section, unit 50%. Let me try this adding to this column. Inner section, that doesn't seems to work. Let's get this column and add 50%. Yes, that works. Now it's time to give border. Select this, column, style, border. What do we need? We need top and right. Solid, color black, 2 pixel on all sides. Unchain it. We need top, right, left, bottom 0 and left 0. Now select this. Instead of making this 2, we can have this as 4, and don't forget to add padding. I'm leaving this to you. Now pitch of it as full width. So let's select this section, border, solid, of course black, on all sides 4, but on right side it should be 0. 4, unlink it, 0. Now let's get into this. So here we need right and bottom. Make this solid, take this color black, 4 on all sides. Let the top, unlink it, let the top be 0 and let the left be 0. Cool, we got it. You can add padding to it, but I'm leaving this to you. Now select the main column and get into the advanced tab, pseudo, and we have to enable the pseudo first, and before let's add the background image to it. I have already selected the background image. We need to give width 40% and height 100%. So position, center, repeat, no repeat, and size, cover. You have to get into the position size. Once you click on it, you will see the image. Click on position. Where is the position and size? So width as 100%, not 100%, but 40%. You can see this percentage is selected, and the height is going to be 100%, and the offset left is going to be 40 or 25. Cool, 25 works. Now I think the desktop version is done. It's time to get into the mobile version. So tablet version. Everything seems good. We just need to make the background image width 40%. Previously it's 40, now we have to make this 60%. On the pseudo, you have to click on the position and size, 60. With 100%, not pixel but percentage, and we have to make the offset left as 30 or 40, 30, 40, not pixel but on percentage. We can make this as 80 as well, 70, 60, 50. Yeah, 50 works. Cool. Now let's get to the desktop mobile version. Mobile version is little tricky to understand. Now we have to make this width as 100%. We have given width as 50 if you remember for the desktop version. Custom, select this custom width of 50, not 50 but 100%. If it doesn't work, you have to select, try selecting it, this unit 100%, that works. Column 100%. Then again this guy inner row size method as units 100%, and we need to add margin top. Unlink this margin top of 400 pixel, and get the pseudo element which is image for this section. I think you have to select this guy because it holds the image. Pseudo position and size, width of 100%, offset left to 0, and height as, select the pixel for now. We have given margin top as how much, 400, so height as 400 pixel, width 100%, and offset 0%. Let's see where the image is now. Okay, image is over here. I think the image opacity 1 is right, with 100%, height 400 pixel, can have offset top of -400. Cool, that's all for this mobile version, and tablet version, and finally the desktop version. That's all for this video.